definitely a nod to the movie. Okay, so let's take a look at it one more time. The Phillies and the Pirates are... Damn, but that Cardinals, though. Phillies, Pirates, and Cardinals are my top 3 right now. Let me see the patch on that Cardinals. Okay. It's okay. I think I'm gonna go... Damn, this is tough. This is tough, because I'm only getting one. I'm only getting one today. You know what? I think we gonna go Phillies. I think we gonna go Phillies. They're there. Phillies. I'll take a 7. You got a 7? I'll take a 7. You can do a 7. Oh no, where's my pen? There we go. Autofill. What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I'm coming at y'all with a LidsHD unboxing. If you saw the live cop last week, then you probably already know what it is. But today, we are getting into this box right here. This is from the LidsHD Lasso collection that they did last week. A part of the toy pack. If you went ahead and picked up one of these hats, let me know what team you copped down below in the comment section. If you passed, let me know why you passed. I know some people was not a fan of the colorway, but for me, I think it's very nostalgic. I grew up watching Toy Story, so having at least one of these was a must cop, in my opinion. So I went ahead and I picked up the Phillies. Really nice golden yellow color on the crown. I can see that Phillies front logo with the 2 stars on the side, 2 red stars, white outlines. It's a nice front logo. But of course, I think the main calling point is really that red piping. That piping detail is definitely what grabbed my attention. It's different, it's interesting, it's fun. It definitely gives you those Toy Story vibes. Tan button on top to match the tan UV. Blue top bill, like a royal blue. It's a very nice hat. It was a good looking collection. Not everybody's taste. Everything is not for everyone, and I definitely understand that. These hats are loud, no doubt about it. Tan New Era flag on the side. Real nice Philly side patch. You got some more tan in there, red, black, white. Very clean. Raised Batterman, black, red, and white. That's a little different. And then you have it, Lids Lasso Phillies. Really glad that I picked this one up. Size 7 1/8, of course. Oh, wait. No, whoa. I picked up a 7 because the 7 was the only one that was in stock. I wear a 7 1/8, and this is a 7 3/4. Think we got a problem. Okay. I'm gonna have to hit them up about that. That's interesting. I'm just trying to make sure I'm not the one who fucked up. They're there. Phillies. I'll take a 7. You got a 7? I'll take a 7. You can do a 7. Oh no, where's my pen? There we go. Autofill. All right, so it looks like I'm gonna be hitting up Lids because they sent me a 7 3/4. That sucks. All right, I was gonna do like a whole, you know, steaming, curving, show y'all the hat what it looked like after I was kind of done finessing it, but I guess I can't do that. We gonna have to come back on that one. But I will give y'all a good look at the pin. I can open this up. So here's the pin that came with the collection. Let it focus. There it goes. The sheriff's hat with the yellow star. You know, definitely symbolizes Andy. Yeah, all in all, really nice collection. The pins are sold separately. They're $9.99 each, which... could they just come with the hat? Yes, but that's my only gripe with the Lids HD drops, I'll say. You know, they did send me the wrong size hat, but I'm sure I could get that fixed. The pin should come with the hat, though. I will say that. You know, if you're doing a pin with the collection, then the pin should come with the hat. Come on now. Why y'all gotta tax us the extra $10? The hats is already pricey, okay? Especially if you buy hats every week. Something that I am noticing now is that the tan on the patch and the New Era flag, it looks like it's kind of metallic a little bit, like it has a little shininess to it. I like it. I'm not complaining. It's just a detail that I noticed now that I have the hat in hand. But yeah, I like that touch. I don't know if that was intentional or what, but that looks really good. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about the Lids Lasso collection down below in the comment section. The hats, the pins, all of it. Yeah, I'll update y'all when I find out what's going on with the correct size that I ordered. Make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.